Ever found yourself staring at your Westpac app, wondering, how do I actually transfer money from here, thinking face you're not alone? Moving funds around can seem a bit daunting, whether it's paying a friend back, splitting bills, or sending money overseas. But don't worry, Westpac makes it pretty straightforward once you know the steps. Today, we're going to break down exactly how to transfer money from your Westpac account. We'll cover everything from quick internal transfers to sending funds internationally, so you'll be a pro in no time. Transfers between your own Westpac accounts. Let's start with the easiest one, moving money between your own Westpac accounts, like from your checking to your savings. This is super quick and has no fees. Using the Westpac app, mobile phone with arrow. Open the Westpac app and sign in. Tap the dollar symbol at the bottom of the screen. Select Transfer between accounts. Choose the From Account and the To Account. Enter the amount and tap Today to set the date or schedule it for later. Tap Transfer to Pay Now or Schedule to Pay Later. It's that simple. The funds update almost instantly. Using online banking, laptop computer. Log into Westpac Online Banking. Go to Payments, Transfer Funds. Select the From Account and the To Account. Enter the amount, date, and frequency. Select Continue and then confirm your transfer details. Sending money to another person or bank, domestic transfers. Need to pay someone else in Australia? Westpac offers a few ways to do this. Using the Westpac app. Sign into the Westpac app. Tap the dollar symbol. Select Pay Someone. You'll need the recipient's BSB, bank, state, branch, number, account number, and account name. If you've paid them before, they'll likely be saved as a payee. Enter the amount and add a description. Review the details carefully and confirm the payment. Using online banking. Log into Westpac Online Banking. Go to Payments, make a payment. Choose to pay an existing payee or new payee. If it's a new payee, you'll need their BSB, account number, and account name. Enter the amount and a description for the payment. Review and confirm the transaction. Daily payment limits. Keep in mind that there are daily payment limits. For most domestic cards, the daily transaction limit for contactless, online, or card-not-present transactions is $20,000. You can usually view and adjust these limits in your online banking settings if needed. Sending money overseas, international transfers. Sending money internationally has a few more steps and typically involves fees and exchange rates. Using the Westpac app or online banking. You must be registered for Westpac Protect Security Code for security. In the Westpac app, go to Payments, Send Overseas. In online banking, go to Payments, Make a Payment, International. Select the country to send to. Choose the From Account. Enter the amount and select the payment currency. You'll need the payee's full name, address, account number, or IBAN for EU/UK, bank name, branch address, and SWIFT code/BIC. For some countries like the US, an ABA routing number is needed. Review the currency, conversion rate, amounts, and fees. Select a payee, or add new to set up a new one. Enter a description and select the transfer purpose if required. Review your transfer details carefully and select Confirm to submit your payment. Fees and exchange rates. Westpac charges a fee for international transfers, which can vary. For example, sending in a foreign currency via the app or online banking might have a $0 Westpac fee, but sending in Australian dollars could incur a $20 fee. Transfers made in a branch typically cost $32. Be aware that intermediary banks might also deduct their own fees, so the recipient might receive slightly less than the amount sent. Always check the Westpac currency converter for indicative rates and fees before transferring. And there you have it. Transferring money with Westpac is straightforward once you know which method suits your needs. Whether it's a quick internal move or sending funds across the globe, Westpac provides various secure options. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.